Alright, we're back. Part 11. Hello, game. Oh, there you go. I do think that part 12 is going to be the official end. Part 10 was the end of, daily, because now it's going to be monthly. As of now, I'm recording this in advance from when it's released. As of right now, as of recording this, it is October 13th when I'm recording this. Because I do plan on uninstalling the game. I know, shocking, but I plan on uninstalling it just for storage reasons, because my phone doesn't have a lot of storage. But yeah. As you can see, there's been some minor changes, including a whole new street. I bought a whole new street back there. I haven't decided on what I'm going to do yet. I've already collected Mr. Bill's stuff for the day. This is just click that real quick. Yep. Not much has really changed. I mean, a big boy is back, but now he's hauling steel. So some trains have gotten their loads swapped around. Like the big boy was originally hauling, gravel, but I gave that to one of the other engines. So stuff has changed a little bit. Things have changed. Yes, keep making me money. No, I was talking to the engine here. Because he makes me so much money. We got good old Henry hauling a train. Because it is the Blitz to stand in your Black 5. Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned, but I got this. He's hauling the nails now. Go away. Alright, which contract? Bobby. He wants steel, fuel, and glass. Steel, fuel, and glass. I can try that. Fudge. Wait, who was I delivering that glass to? Not gonna do it to you. No. Bam, bam. We'll use you. Anyway. And do bam, bam. Bam. Nope, too many cars. Steel. We could really use this. Do I have any stronger engines? You. And then, bam. Neato. And then we'll send that to Bobby. Bobby is gonna get that now. Oh, we nearly completed our goal. Get out of here. Let's see. I'm gonna arrange for another one to be made. So glass, fuel, and steel. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna really do. But wait a minute. Glass, steel, and then glass, steel, and fuel. I'm doing it because I'm gonna. Oh, I'm out of fuel. Wait, that means I can't run diesel locomotives. Because I sold off a lot of my fuel because I wanted to get I wanted to do this one. Get this unit here, but you have to sell off fuel. So you sell 250 fuel to get this award. So I had sold off a bunch of my fuel. To get close to that mark. But crap, I'm out of fuel. That's gonna be an issue. But I'm smart. And so my fuel train is actually hauled by a GG1. And that'd be heritage units. What is it? Get out of here. Hey, it's 1800 on 18. I think it's the first time I've gotten a heritage units notification on these videos. Contracts, Bobby. But I have some fuel now. Oh, that's why I only showed that he was gonna get 400. Because he stole the rest of my flippin' fuel. Bro's a thief. He stole my fuel. You owe me, dude. And I'm sorry, unfortunately, as payback, cancel. You owe me. You owe me. So, damn. But I can't run diesel engines because I don't have any fuel left. There's always the other option, though. Darn. This is the option I'm talking about. So, you know what? You probably don't want to see me just constantly spamming the whistle, so it's gonna be a minute, guys. Here's the first round. Oh, wait. Neato. It looks like Montana Rail Link a little bit. Rest in peace, Montana Rail Link. But, see you in another minute. Another thing to note is this is going to help me with my museum and being able to level up. And I just got a new award. Neat. DDA 40X. I've used like 20 whistles, as you can see. I've used 20 of them. I got 219 fuel. How convenient. Now I have 322. Let's see. So we have an empty slot. Okay. Screw it. I'm not watching ads today. And so I'm gonna just hit edit train. You can take all the glass and all the steel cars. You still need one more. Okay, I have a better idea. Champagne. Get out of here. And that's like what? That's like 5 cars? What engine can haul 5 cars? No, not you. I don't want you. Can literally just you. Never mind. Just only you can haul a total of 5 cars. And yet you're the same kind of engine that eats up the stuff that I want you to haul. So that's just great. Who knew I'd now be having to run a backup fuel train? And also, get out of here, dude. Get lost. You can't carry as much fuel, but you can do me a service and get me some more fuel. As for engines and storage, steam engines, here you go. A nice look at what I'm not using. And in terms of diesels, that's all. I once sold this unit off, but then I got it back along with all its cars. Because I might need it sometimes, so. I don't know what you go to, though. I don't know what you go to. But I may have gotten you at level 50 judging by the thing, but I could be mistaken. I don't even remember when I got it. I don't even know if I got it on video. I may have gotten it while I was on my trip. Or I just got it, or I got it off video. Get out of here, dude. Get lost. Okay, contracts. You need some steel and glass. You need some steel and glass. And, here you go, Bobby. Take it all. I don't need that steel nor glass. I got a crap ton of it. I don't need carbon. I don't think I need rubber. But I am going to try and save. I'm going to sell some cement. I'll sell off my cement. They don't have any uses, so they're just going to be sold. The U-235, I've kept a bunch of it because, is why. Man, what engines can I buy right now? The GMD, GMDH-1, no thanks. The Aerotrain, no. Victorian B-Class, bought it. And then used it, practically never. I would definitely get one of these. But it's 21 million coins, and I barely even have 500,000, so. Yeah, I'm never gonna get the DDA. And honestly, I don't really have a use for it at the moment. Let's go buy electric. The Milwaukee Road. Oh, I thought that said the Milwaukee Road. I was like, oh dang, they got the license? No, they didn't. This engine honestly reminds me of Montana Rail Link. It's also cheap as heck, but not what I'm looking for. You're pretty cheap and you can haul 10 cars. And you also remind me of the AEM-7. Conveniently, there it is. But, for 10 cars, you can haul 10 cars, which isn't bad. But you're 200,000 coins. I don't think I really need 200,000 coins. What is that train? Freight and passenger? I thought you can't combine those. But, I seriously don't think I need that right now. Let me think. Yeah, I don't think so. I definitely don't need that engine right now. I don't think I really need it. I'll have you all. Yeah, I'm joking around, but I don't know what did I want you to haul. What have I not got holding around? These. He needs 9 for 180,000. Oh my gosh. Bam. There you go. Send to depot. I have made mistakes. But, we're gonna sell off you. Wait. No, I bought you. Get out of here. You automatically get a free pass. You get to stay. I don't even think I'm gonna really need you much, and I can always just use a random engine. So get out of here. Keeping you because you're an award and I don't think I can buy you back. 1 engines. Nope. I'm gonna keep you because I don't know. I don't even think I can buy you. I might be able to, but I don't want to buy you back. Obviously, selling you is not an option. You can tell because it says reward, so being a reward is automatically also free pass. How much are you? Nope. 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 Nope, and I don't know, but I might need you in the near future. Depends. The Hiawatha's I practically never use. I'm going to sell off one of you. Just one of them. I'm only going to sell off one of the Hiawatha's so I can keep the other for the actual train. And then I'm going to keep the rest of you. So how much does that bring me up to? 165. Oh, the trains are already back, too. Great. Send to depot because you're expensive to run. You can continue running, though. So can you. And I also don't really need gravel at the moment, so yeah, you can temporarily go away. The more expensive it is to run, the less I'm going to try and keep it running. You can stay. You can stay. You can go straight to storage. That's probably why I'm constantly running out of money, because some of these engines require like 100 plus coins to actually operate. They're expensive. Like, the stronger the engine, the less I'm probably actually going to run it. Okay. You can... Yeah, you can keep running. Absolutely, you're cheap. Nope. Store rake to depot. What are you hauling? And you're hauling steel, so that may have been a mistake. I'm maximizing profits. For now. What can you haul? You are straight to 250 coins. Goodness gracious. Center station. At this point, I should put, like, half the flippin' roster in storage. Okay, go ahead. Keep running. Give me some carbon. I don't know why I'm gonna have carbon of all things, but it might be somehow useful. I just used a whistle in case if you weren't paying attention. I'd like some fuel, please. So Bobby the Bobster can have some... I don't... Seriously? That much? He needs basically 1,500 fuel? I don't got 1,500 fuel. Uranium? What? Uranium, that's neat. Get out of here, you ruined it. Get out of here. But y'all, look, it's a Dash 8. The first time, finally another engine that I can recognize. I'm pretty sure I've already collected this dude, though. No clue what that is. No. Wow. A Dash 8. Oh my goodness gracious. It's a Dash 8. I have diesel. And then I go by collected. And I should find it. It should stick out like a sore thumb. BQ. There it is. I don't know how to get this unit, and it's because it's not available in the shop, but it might be like a reward exclusive. Like, you complete a certain award, this is what is given to you. I don't know when I'm going to collect it, but still. Yeah. a trio of Go F40s. I don't know where I was about to say Gore. Don't think that's how it's spelled, but still. So I got like a couple trains running in total. Let's see. I got 3 empty slots that I can add a train. I really don't have any trains. If I get rid of him, then I can basically bring all the other trains back. Yeah, 4. See. This dude barely brings me anything, so... Ooh, free whistle. I'm abolishing you. How much you bring me? That is titanium. Dude. I didn't even get a chance. Why are you back? I just abolished you. Get out of here, dude. You're abolished. What in the... Huh? The friggin' titanium, y'all. I got that titanium. Bro, is it more expensive than carbon? Yeah. Titanium. I don't even have a use for that. Norfolk Southern Caboose, Norfolk Southern Caboose, Norfolk Southern Caboose. Don't care. What is in his? What is this? You know? What guy? The titanium car? Yeah, I could have figured. What is the oh wait, I remember what the weakest engine I can buy is. Because I'm gonna buy it. The weakest engine that I can ever own. Wait, what? 150? No. It's the Stephenson's rocket. I got about 21 units back in the day. But I'm only gonna buy one. Because it's the weakest engine, so I wanted to have the weakest train. Steam. And it costs nothing to run, which is the best part. And you get titanium. Welcome to whatever, son. Will get me practically no titanium at all. But yeah. Let's see. No, I didn't see the balloon in time. Bobby. Okay, I'm gonna need some fuel, bro. Where's it? There you go. Send International, send the Bobby. Take all my fuel. And now I probably can't run any diesels because I don't have any fuel. So... Thank gosh the fuel train is operated by an electric unit. That's actually probably the smartest thing I've ever done. Because in the morning it arrives, it won't waste fuel. Also, look at that, you can see, I just turned to level 62. Also 62. 1962. Why am I mentioning that? King Kong vs. Godzilla from 62. Plan to watch that movie. Don't know what service it's on, though. Get out of here. Are these trains that are, like, about to arrive here, or, like, are they just on their way to their destination? Yeah, okay, those are just arriving to where they need to go. So we have 17 fuel, 17 fuel. That is maybe enough to run like one train. And then when he collects... Okay, yeah, see? Collecting all the goods now. But I think we're basically towards the end of today's episode. And if we're to go by how I'm going to schedule it, then I'll see you next month on this series. So the series should end on December 1st. And so that means, just so you know, after this, I might record the next episode soon. And when they do get released, by the time they're probably released, I would have already uninstalled this game. So you'll be seeing like very late footage. I might record an episode and I plan to uninstall the game. So you'll see one last video. Yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you again very soon. Peace out.